Volcanoes, the very essence of Earth's raw power, have fascinated humanity for millennia. From their awe inspiring eruptions to their breathtaking landscapes, their geological giants offer a window into the inner workings of the planet. Let's begin our exploration by venturing to the Pacific Ring of Fire, a region renowned for its volcanic activity. Here, along the coast of the Pacific Ocean, lies some of the world's most active and iconic volcanoes. Our first stop takes us to Japan, home to the legendary Mount Fuji. Revered as a symbol of Japan's natural beauty and resilience, Mount Fuji stands as an iconic stratovolcano, its majestic silhouette gracing the horizon. Next, we journey across the Pacific to Hawaii, where the fiery passion of Kilauea volcano ignites the imagination. As one of the world's most active volcanoes, Kilauea continuously reshapes the landscape with its mesmerizing lava flows and explosive eruptions. Traveling across continents, we arrive in Italy, where the brooding silhouette of Mount Vesuvius casts a shadow over the ancient city of Pompeii. This infamous stratovolcano, infamous for its catastrophic eruption in 79 AD, serves as a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable fury. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Big Island, Hawaii, home to the mighty Mauna Loa. As the largest volcano on Earth in terms of volume and mass, Mauna Loa stands as a testament to the immense power simmering beneath our planet's surface. Venturing northward, we arrive in Iceland, where the icy embrace of Ija Jökull bellies the fiery heart beneath. This subglacial volcano gained international attention with its 2010 eruption, which disrupted air travel across Europe and captures the world's fascination. While India and Pakistan are not known for its active volcanoes like some of the other countries, India does have some dormant and extinct volcanic features. The most prominent among them is the Barren Island volcano located in the Andaman Sea. Barren Island in the India's only active volcano and lies about 135 kilometers northeast of Port Blair, the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is a stratovolcano and its most recent eruption occurred in 2017. The island itself is uninhabited due to its volcanic activity, but it attracts scientists, researchers, and tourists interested in studying its unique geological features. Apart from Barren Island, there are some ancient volcanic formations found in other parts of India, particularly in the Western Ghats region. These formations are mostly dormant or extinct, meaning they are not currently active. However, they provide valuable insights into India's geological history. The world's largest volcano, both in terms of volume and height, is Mauna Loa, located in the Big Island of Hawaii in the United States. Mauna Loa is a shield volcano and rises about 13,678 feet above sea level. However, most of its mass is underwater, and its total height from its submerged base to its summit is over 30,000 feet. It is one of the 5 volcanoes that form the island of Hawaii, and it is known for its frequent but non-explosive eruption. As for the world's smallest volcano, it's a bit trickier to determine definitively due to various factors like volume, height, and geological classification. One contender for the title of smallest volcano is the Taal volcano, located on the island of Luzon in the Philippines. Taal volcano is a complex volcano known for its crater lake, which contains a small island known as Vulcan Point. While Taal is relatively small compared to many other volcanoes, it is still quite significant in size and actively compared to truly tiny volcanic features like volcano vents and cones. Mount Etna, Italy. Located on the island of Sicily, Mount Etna is one of the world's most active volcanoes. Its frequent eruption and towering lava fountains attract scientists, tourists, and adventurers alike. Krakatoa, Indonesia. The eruption of Krakatoa in 1883 was one of the most catastrophic volcanic events in recorded history. The explosion was so powerful that it was heard thousands of miles away and caused tsunamis through devastated coastal areas. Mount St. Helens, USA. This stratovolcano is in Washington state, famously erupted in 1980, causing the deadliest volcanic event in US history. The eruption dramatically altered the landscape and led to significant scientific study of volcanic processes. Cotopaxi, Ecuador. Cotopaxi is one of the highest active volcanoes in the world and is known for its nearly perfect conical shape. Its last major eruption occurred in 1877, but it remains closely monitored due to its potential threat to nearby population. Until we meet again, keep exploring, keep learning, and embrace the fairy wonders that await you. Happy studying, and may your dreams reach heights as lofty as the peaks of the world's most majestic volcanoes. Thanks for watching my video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe my channel. If you have anything to discuss about this topic, you can comment below. And purpose of making this video just to inform you about that and for nothing else. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.